Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's gonna be a day in my life as a 25-year-old first-time mom, and I'm going back to work today, which is crazy. She is 7 months old now, so we're going back to work and making some money. I'm speaking low because it is like 6 o'clock in the morning. Everybody's sleeping, so yeah, we're gonna do like a little time lapse of me doing my makeup. I already brushed my teeth, washed my face, and all that stuff. So we're gonna do my makeup real quick and then get ready and then get my baby ready, and yeah, and then we're off to work. I don't know how much clips I'm gonna get of that, but I'll just film my day. So yeah, come along with me. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up, like it, comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, then I'll post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. Let's get started. So here is my quick makeup look. I just did eyebrows, eyelashes, put some highlighter on under my eyebrows and in the lid a little bit. On my cheeks I put a little bit of blush, and I just put lip balm. I was supposed to put cream and I didn't put cream. Oh yeah, and then I put as you can see, a little bit, I don't know, hopefully it doesn't look bad in person, but I put concealer on my pimples and then put powder. So I'm gonna come back into the bathroom to do my hair. So I put on my shirt. It's just a simple black top, no, all black, and then a brown jacket on top. So I'm just gonna put on my earrings, my necklace, and do my hair. Probably get something to eat, like eat something before I wake up the baby. She'll probably wake up soon because she did wake up earlier when I woke up, but then she ended up falling back asleep. This is nerve-wracking. So if you guys know, I was a substitute teacher, and now I am a paraprofessional, and I work in a different school in a whole different district. So this is like everything new to me. I never been to this school a day in my life, and the principal is really nice. I did speak to her on the phone, and you know, she did my interview and stuff. So hopefully it goes well. It's not that far from the house, but my sister is picking me up and then she's dropping me off at work, and then I'm gonna figure out how to get back. I could walk technically, but then I could take Uber at the same time. Just depends on how the weather is. And it's part-time, so it's a half-day schedule. Maybe I'll be there the full day today, I'm not sure. But guys, look at my hair. That's without combing it. Imagine when I comb it out. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna try to put my hair in a bun. I don't know how that's gonna work out. Today is Monday, so it's the start of a brand new week, and also they had break last week. I want to cut my hair so bad, but then at the same time, I feel like I'm gonna miss this hair. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave it down like this, like in my hair tie, like a pony. And why is there not? So annoying. But if I do want to put up my hair, I'll bring my clip up and then I'll put it up. But for now, this is how it's gonna be. So yeah. Guys, does this look good? I can't even see it. It looks nice, as long as I don't touch it. In the kitchen now, and I just put bread to toast, and I'm gonna use some jelly and put cream cheese on it, and that's gonna be my breakfast for today. I usually don't eat breakfast, honestly. At first, like before I had a baby, before I was even pregnant, I didn't really like breakfast that much. Where is the cream cheese? Oh. And then when I was pregnant, obviously I had to eat, and I ate like 5 times a day. And then now that I have a baby, I'm like so busy with her that I don't even eat. But then also, like, she wakes up early and then I feed her and then she goes back to sleep, so I go to sleep with her. So I don't really eat breakfast like that. So yeah, but I gotta start eating breakfast, because if not, I'm gonna be at work like, yeah, I don't want to be here. So waiting for that bread to toast, and yeah. So I'm just doing last minute cleaning up before I leave, and the baby's still sleeping, so I'm not gonna get to feed her before I leave. That's so sad. I'm trying to wake her up with turning on the light and everything, but I guess since she woke up a few minutes in the morning, that she went back to sleep. I'm gonna take out this diaper. Outfit, Forever 21, Amazon shirt, Express pants, shoes. They start with a C. I don't remember. And a vacuum bag, and then date ring, earrings, and my hair in a bun. So it's almost 2 o'clock now. I am home now. I got back at 1 o'clock, and since the baby was sleeping and taking a nap at that time, I took the opportunity to go take a shower, and now she's up, so I'm feeding her her bottle. And I had a whole 30-minute walk back to the house, but it was okay. It was a nice day anyway, so it's fine. So that's why I look crazy again. I don't have my makeup on anymore. It's all off. So as soon as I walked into the school, everybody was all happy, saying good morning and everything. And I really liked the vibe in the school. Everybody was really nice. And they had put me into a kindergarten, 1st grade, 2nd grade mixed class. It was a self-contained class, so it was kind of hectic. But you know, it's just how it goes in a self-contained class. But the teacher was really nice, and she was really strict with the kids, which is good because, like, you know, they could walk all over you, honestly. But I was basically sitting with a couple kids, like 4 of them, and I was making sure they were sitting, doing what they had to do. They were really sweet. Yeah. It was a really good day. When I was in the lunchroom with the kids, there was a kid from a random class that literally came all the way to me to open up his little cranberry thing. And then I was like, dang, like, I'm an adult or whatever. Like, he like noticed me, you know, like he could have asked anybody, and he asked me, and I was new, you know. And then when I was like looking around the school, you know, checking it out and looking around, there's a whole bunch of girls in the hallway, and they were waiting to go to the bathroom. And then they started talking to me, and they're like, oh my goodness, you're so pretty, this and that. And they were really cute. And then I started talking to their teacher, and like, but yeah, it was just a really good day. I basically have a half-day schedule, like I said, so it's really good. The time goes by really fast, so I'm ready to work, even though I miss my little chickadee over here. But yeah, so let's see what else we're gonna do. She'll probably go play on the mat and watch TV a little bit. I'm gonna cook some dinner. I gotta figure out what I want to cook for dinner, but yeah. Literally nothing has happened. I took a whole nap. So
I need that bonus points. I'm gonna keep all these on these.
I'll cook some dinner soon. And yeah. So I didn't finish the video yesterday because I was like tired, and I was like, I don't know. It was just such a weird day. Like, not weird, but I just cooked pasta. It was easy, and then fed the baby and all that. So it was like the same thing like I usually do. But it's the next day. I was in the same class today. It's pretty windy out. I'm walking back home now.